Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the start of the last half term before the summer. I hope that you've all had a safe and peaceful break and that you're able to enjoy some of the beautiful weather that we've had in the last few days. We now know that secondary schools will not be opening fully before the summer holiday. However, from the 15th of June, we will be open for limited face-to-face contact with our Year 10 and 12 students to support the remote learning that's been set online over the last few weeks. That means if you're in 7, 8 and 9, you will continue to be supported solely by the remote learning that's being set by your teachers through ePraise. It was not the end to 2019-2020, my first year at Coombshead, that I intended, but if it ends with all of our students and staff safe, then I can live with that. However, if you are struggling with your mental health and you're worried about things, then please get in touch with your form tutor as a starting point for getting help to you. Please do not suffer in silence. We don't want that for any of you. Okay, have a good week. I hope that your work goes well. I'll speak to you again next Monday. Thank you. Bye-bye.